Oh, morning everybody. I'm having a reet nice cup of tea, that's what they say up north. A reet nice cup of tea. Yeah, lovely. Anyway, I'm back in the old, what's it called, making room. I wanted to see my latest one. I've made this, it's beaut. See that? Can you see that? Got it. Got it there. I'm going to hide behind it like this and just sort of gradually put my eyes over the top like that. Can you see? Now, what I want you to look at particularly here, this is a low relief jobby, so it sort of would go at the sort of edge of your layout, but I want you to see the relief. Just look at all that I've got. It's all about building up the relief. You can do it as much as you want. I've taken the windows back, you see here, and these panels I've brought out, but what I really like is the old, whatever those things are called, I call them the rimmage. The rimmage, that's not a real word, is it? But that's what I call it. A little sort of buttressy, not buttress either, is it? But look at that, and all the lovely little curves and beautiful. We get down here, you take the, what's it called, in. You look at the original template. It's extremely simple. There we have it. Now, you can just print that out flat if you want, but I'm sure you'll agree this is much better. Oh, look at that. You do have a little roof, which is optional. You do have that if you want. Here's the roof, look. Little rough. Shove it on the top of the old malarkey there, look. Yeah. And there you have it. But as I say, I do urge you strongly, I do this in all my vids, to get that relief going. Get that relief going, come on, beautiful. Now, I'm gonna show you a bit of magic. Do you like it when I do my magic tricks? Swiftness of the hand, sees the eye, swiftness of the hand, sees the eye. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Now, you print this lot out 3, 4, 5 times, as many as you want. You can make something like this. Here we go. It's coming from below. It's coming from below. Oh, 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 oh. Do you see? Do you see? A nice sort of triangular job. It's like the iron thing in New York, I think, isn't it? The iron building, the first proper skyscraper they had over there. Or where are you from, look. Oh, look at that lovely little bit, funny bit at the top. Just made it up, you know, just scratch it. Now, most of this is flat because I've just done it quickly, yeah? Ever so quickly, but I have got some relief on this side, you see. So look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? So, in theory, you could make, I don't know, 50 buildings out of this. It's incredible, isn't it? And remember, once you've bought it and printed it off, you can print it off as many times as you want. So in effect, you're buying a city. Excellent. Now, when you do these sort of builds, just a little tip for you, right? You will get gaps in your constructions. You just will. That's how it's going to work, I'm afraid. What I do is I then print another piece off and get a panel such as this, yep, and then just cut it out to size and put it over the gap, do you see? So here's the finished jobby on this corner. So it kills the hole, but it also gives it that. So make sure no one's listening. Gives you that extra little bit of relief, which is what it's all about. That's a relief.